don't. Damn, in the mirror it looked good. On the camera it don't. What's up fam, it's Life with CaityB and I'm back with another video. What's poppin'? So yeah, I'm back with another video guys. As you guys can see below, I'm going to be doing a Mecca makeup haul. Yes, I'm just going to be showing you guys all the Mecca makeup and skincare and body stuff that I've gotten from Mecca. Yeah, I'm not wearing a full face of Mecca right now. I'm wearing Maybelline, you know. Yeah, just cause sometimes I can't afford the concealers at Mecca and stuff like that. So you know, I'll be using some Maybelline sometimes, and my eyebrows, I'm still trying to get there. You guys will be shocked at the amount of makeup I have and at how I still can't do my eyebrows and everything. But yeah, so I tried. I love my little headband made by Lila. If you guys haven't seen one of my previous videos, I'll probably be adding it in right now. And that's basically where I got my beautiful headband from. I got a golden black one and this as a gift, a birthday gift. So thank you guys again. And these lamps over there, you just hit her up. I'll have her in the description box below guys. Don't be shy, you know, support one another. But yeah, let's get into this makeup haul. You guys liking my makeup right now? Let me think about that. So yeah, oh, camera's a little bit dusty right now. Hold up a minute. So yeah guys, this is all the stuff that I've gotten from Mecca. A lot of them are bags. This bag here with the sand and sky bag here, I just shoved all my goodies in there. You know, my samples that I've gotten, products that I might not use anytime soon, so I just put it in this bag. And yeah, let's get to the haul. By the way, do you guys like my t-shirt? It's Puma, it's green, it goes with my little headband and I like it a lot. And plus Puma's my brand, I love Puma a lot.
So yeah, back to the Mario Badescu skincare product. Established 1967 guys, so it's the OG skincare product. It comes with basically almost sample sizes but just a bit bigger travel sets maybe. So we got a cleanse, acne facial cleanser, we have a toner which is a special cucumber lotion, and then we have our Mario Badescu moisturizer. It's oil free, it's got SPF 17 sunscreen, which is pretty good, you know what I'm saying. Oil free moisturizer, don't we love one of those? It comes with a bonus tone your regimen one step further drying cream. It's not too bad. I'm not too sure what that does. I wasn't really prepared for this, but yeah.
All this stuff, and we got a drying mask.
So here we have our Happy Pamper Kit from Soap & Glory. They're a nice cheap brand. I love their moisturizers. Their body cleaners. I love getting the small ones, you know, just to try it out first. But I love their Righteous Butter cream. Let me show ya. I've already used majority of it. This was meant to be for my mom, but I was a bit savage and just went straight in and used it for myself. But these smell beautiful. They smell like freaking bubblegum. I wish you guys could smell it. But if you guys ever go to Mecca, just stop by, get you some samples. I'm not too sure if you can get samples of this, but this is basically only $9, this little pack here. I know people will be like, only $9? That's so expensive. Well, welcome to Australia, guys.
$9 Irresistible Bubble Soap and Glory, another cheap $9 set. Now let's get to the cheap brand of Mecca. Like, this must be the cheapest thing in Mecca to date that I know. These masks are $2 each. They come in many different I don't know, flavors, I guess. Oh, I don't know. They're not too bad. I guess they're alright, but you get what you get for $2, you know what I mean? Here is 2 masks that I got yesterday. So I got a Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gel. So I just place under my eye, just eye patches from Skin Iceland. And I got the Skin Iceland Plumping Lip Gel. So it may go over your lips a bit much, but it's gonna overlap your lips a bit. But you know, you want to get the whole area moisturized, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So we're gonna move on to Frank Body, the thing everybody's living right now. Let us smell that. Coffee. We just love a bit of coffee. Coffee. So it's basically just an original. This is the original coffee scrub. Yeah, it's just brightens up your skin a bit. Sorry, my man. Ashy arms are in the way. Back to Soap and Glory. We got them Flakeaways. It's a body polish. I use it for my face because I don't know, I just like using a lot of things on my face, and then I end up with the face I have now. All scratched it because I used things too hard for it. So yeah, this is Flakeaway. It's a body polish. You basically just bubblegum. That's what it looks like. It's like a buttery goodness. And we got our beautiful hand food, also from Soap and Glory. It's a hydrating hand cream. Let me try some now because my hands is ashy. Now we have the Mecca Cosmetica body illuminating oil. Smells expensive. Smells like you're getting a tan. That's what it smells like. Oh, look at that beautiful shimmer, guys. So we have the Mario Badescu. Everybody loves a good old cheap Mario Badescu skincare spray, guys.
To be honest, I feel like it doesn't do anything. Let's be honest here, Mario. I feel like this does nothing. But you know, you get the money and you go. But yeah, I feel like it's good to dampen your beauty blender if you're gonna do your makeup and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I feel like this is good for. Or just like, you know, giving the face a bit of a fresh feel.
Sorry, my nose is running.
This is a sample size, which is pretty good. 15 milliliters. Urban Decay's all-nighter spray, and oh my gosh, I just love this spray. I want to get a bigger size, but you know, I wanted to get a sample so I could see what the hype was about, you know what I'm saying? And I love this spray. It's one of my favorites at the moment. Yeah, samples, living for samples, by the way. Can I just talk about the illuminating primers as well? Bomb! Oh my gosh, the illuminating primers are the best. I got this yesterday as well. But yeah, it's amazing. It's 45 milliliters. It lasts for 12 months. So use it within 12 months. You know me, I'm probably gonna finish it ASAP, or probably still use it past the due date, expiry date. But you know what I mean. It's just a little bit. It's very moisturizing. You know what I mean. And this is a sample size, so I was quite lucky. It's very generous for a sample size. It is 7 mils. It's a vitamin enriched face base, so it's basically like a primer. It smells so good. It smells like it's gonna work. That's what it smells like. So this is what it looks like. I don't want to spread onto my hands because it's a very expensive product. I'm just using it now and then. And I got the Photo Finish primer. I got like 3 of these. Yeah, because it's so good. So I'm wearing that under my skin. So now with the lip liners, girl. These are the Velvet Lip Liners from NARS. So we have the color here, Chaos. So the next color we have here is Bondage. It's a nice, beautiful, light, tanny color. Okay, the next one is like a light, pinkish, purpley color. It's called Vicious. And this is the shade Spike. Let's give it a try. Oh yes, honey. Oh my gosh, this is a shadow pencil, but you know, I thought it was a lip liner. So this is the shade Algae Eagle Noir. Okay, now to my mascaras. The mascara I'm wearing right now is
Lash Alert by Aiko. I love this brand. Janae Aiko uses this. Oh my gosh, I saw her use this exact one and everything. This is my favorite. And I got a NARS Audacious Mascara. It came in a pack. I think it came with eyeliner and something else. But Audacious Mascara is very beautiful. Gives you some length. It's a very long eyelash brush. So this beautiful thing here is a highlight stick from NARS. It's called Hot Sand. I've gotten a couple of the Hot Sand illuminators. Yeah, it looks pretty ashy. And I have another little highlight in the shade Copacabana. Shade 5822.
Cute little packaging. I love the all black type of look. Look at this beautiful shimmer though. My eyes, like literally, light is reflecting off of this thing. Girl.
So I have here the Too Faced Unicorn highlight. This is a beautiful shimmery blue highlight. Can you guys see? Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. Are your eyes blinded by this? It's called Unicorn Tears, by the way. So I have here the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay collab highlight palette. It's called Beauty Beam. It's so pretty, I'm telling you. It's a really pretty palette, so get ready to have your eyes blinded.
So we got the Stila Black Obsidian ink. It's a cushion eyeliner, so you just put in your brushes or whatever and dip it into there and you get your color and you can do your cat eyes or whatever. I can't do cat eyes, that's for sure.
And I just have normal black eyeliners from NARS. Yeah, so this is the co-liner.
It's a khaki green eyeliner. I have not used this yet, I've yet to use it. But yeah, that's the beautiful shade that comes out of it. It's a beautiful army green that you have from that. That's very nice. Okay, NARS, the beautiful brown eyeliner here. Oh, it stands out. It's amazing. Do you guys use eyeliners as lip liners? I do, because you know your girl was struggling a bit. 0.3 Gs. This is called Via D. Now to the only foundations that I have from Mecca. I love Lancome. This is what I'm wearing right now. It's a beautiful. It's a beautiful foundation. Sorry, my favorite YouTuber wears this. Her name is Jackie Aina. I love her YouTube channel. She uses Lancome a lot. This is basically one of her go-to brands. I'm using the shade 051.
So I have this dark foundation here by Stila. It comes with a cute little brush that I use for my Lancome foundation. I love this application brush. It's number 35.
So this is a foundation and concealer and brush kit. So what I love about Stila is they come with their own little mirror, the concealer on top, and then they have the foundation at the bottom. So this is in the shade Cocoa. If you're in the shade Cocoa, let us know. I can probably give this to you. So yeah, because I'm not shade Cocoa at all, and not anytime soon.
Oh my gosh, I could eat this. It smells like foundation.
But yeah, so look at the inside. I love the interior of this bag. It just gives us summer vibes. It's a beautiful bag. And Diptyque is like expensive, you know what I'm saying? So this bag is royalty, but obviously I didn't treat it properly. But yeah, I love this bag. I love the material. Listen to it. That's like wearing jeans right there. That's like jean type material.
I also have another beautiful Mecca bag. You could basically use this as a purse. I got random stuff in there. It's got a beautiful little zip in there if you want to put your stuff in there. It's a beautiful little purse. I love it. Beautiful little NARS bag here. I love that edgy look. I love it. It's just a simple pouch. I have this beautiful makeup bag. You can put your brushes in there. Say if I'm gonna do someone's makeup, I can put the brushes in here, you know what I'm saying. There's a beautiful pocket at the back. I got a Clarisonic pencil case. It's a beautiful little pencil case. I just put anything in here. And I got 2 of these nail polish removers. Yes. Now finally we're almost near the end. Alright, let me get a lolly first. So my lips Smashbox here is just beautiful colors, very beautiful colors. That's my camera, by the way. That's us over there. My all-time favorite is Lipstick Queen by Urban Decay, I believe. It's called Float, that's all I'm gonna say. It's a beautiful, it's like a lip balm. It's like, yeah, it's basically a lip balm. So this is a melted latex Too Faced High Shine Liquid balm thing. You see that blue tone. And it comes with a little mini lipstick, also called Unicorn Tears. Beautiful packaging. And also this is the shade blue as well, with purple little crystals in it, I guess. So you can see that little, y'all can see that. Now let's talk about this melted thing. I think it came out last year. It's very beautiful. This is a color that not much people got, but I love it. So here I have a beautiful Stephen Klein NARS lipstick in the shade Provoke. So this is called Black Heart by NARS. Bare Minerals is a beautiful brand, very natural with the way they go about their makeup and stuff like that, you know. The shade Be Free, Marvelous Moxie. Yeah, very nice. Okay, next one. So here we got the same brand, Bare Minimals and Marvelous Moxie, but we got the shade Get Ready. So girl, get ready. The shade, very nice, very nice. Called Mona. I really love this color. Girl, get me my Louis Vuitton bag right now. So the very bright red shade. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted a NARS bright red shade. But thank you guys for watching. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 video on my bag of goodies. And yeah, I might cut this video in half anyways, but thank you guys for watching. My back is sore and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my mini makeup Mecca haul. And yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell below. Yes, that bell below to keep notified of my recent videos. And thank you guys for getting me up a few subscribers. The last time I checked I had 223 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for the support. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Kakitiano.